Hello you guys, welcome to yet another new setup, I guess. This is the first time that I'm going to be filming something I think like a little nicer at the apartment. So today we are going to talk about my updated hair care routine for specifically damaged, bleached, or processed hair. I do have a lot of new products to share with you guys, and I also have some nice affordable options as well because I know that taking care of processed hair can get kind of expensive. So yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys a bunch of new products because it has been a while. So let me start bringing over my products so I can lay it out in front of you guys, and that's why I have a desk to film today. Wow, I feel so professional now. So you guys probably know of this salon that I go to, which is Level 1 Studio in downtown LA, and they use all Fanola products. So what I use mainly from Fanola is a new product that I haven't shared with you guys yet. My hair around a year ago, I don't know what I was doing, but I remember what I was doing. I was trying out new hair care products for you guys, and one of the products was just really bad and it led to a lot of breakage for my hair. I was at the salon and I was telling my stylist Mindy like, hey, like my hair is breaking a lot and I don't know what else I can possibly do. So she recommended that I try this Fiber Fix shampoo, and this is the small bottle. I have the bigger bottle as well, but I actually don't have it with me at the apartment. Basically, this is just a fiber shampoo, and this really helps to sort of like restructure my hair and to prevent breakage. And next to that, of course, this is my holy grail hair care product. I recommend it every chance that I can, and it is seriously a lifesaver. Like if you have damaged hair, bleached hair, processed hair, colored hair, like anything, I really recommend you guys to try this. Like I know it's expensive and I have suffered the price tag of this, but the way I think of it is that if I'm already like putting so much investment into my hair and it's already like a luxury to have, like I definitely want to take the steps and the precautions to continue to protect my hair. So that's why I think that the price tag is very justified. So you can use this as a treatment mask or you can use it as a conditioner. It's really up to you guys, and it's really up to how often you need to use this on your hair. It really makes your hair smoother and stronger, and it prevents breakages, and it really nourishes your hair. And I know that I've told you guys about this product already, but I think because I still use this, I definitely need to mention it again so that this is like one cohesive video about all the products that I do use. For you guys who are always asking me how I upkeep my pink hair, because even in between salon appointments, I still do maintain my pink at home. So with that, I actually use a color mask. So what's inside here is actually a mixture of this and also the Orotherapy color mask, and I just apply that, I think maybe like once a week to my hair to upkeep the color. Okay, so this is the Perfect Bonding series from Lucetta, and I have been trying out their product for a couple weeks now, and let me just say right off the bat, I'm really impressed with them. So as all of the other products that I'm mentioning in this video, this collection is made to deep condition processed and damaged hair, and it's also specifically made to improve the texture of the hair and to strengthen the structure of each strand of hair, and I'm going to explain more of that later in the word bonding. This is a bonding shampoo, and this is a bonding conditioner, and this is the leave-in bonding cream. So basically this company was started by a group of hairstylists, and they really wanted to bring salon quality products but at a very affordable price. So I feel like they really cater to a wider audience because they're priced so nicely that literally anyone can afford these. So when I first got these products, I was really attracted to the word bonding, and why the word bonding is so important in hair care that's made for specifically like processed or bleach or chemically damaged hair is because that bonding is going to structurally repair your hair and prevent damage and prevent breakage for the future. So anything that has the word bonding in it is definitely really amazing for chemically treated hair. That's why I was really interested in this like bonding set. So when I was testing out this set for like a month or so, I was really impressed with the results. I feel like my hair was as healthy as it always is, and even when I went to my salon appointment last time, my hairstylist complimented like how healthy my hair was doing. I especially love this bonding cream. I'm just really obsessed with leave-in conditioners now, and I'm looking for a very specific texture when I am using a leave-in conditioner, and I'm looking for that sort of feeling where it leaves that sort of protective barrier in your hair, and this one does it. So it passes all of my check boxes, and it's definitely a really nice product. And this is all of my aftercare stuff. So after I am done shampooing and conditioning, this is the aftercare step of my hair care routine. And this is one of my favorite products. Since using a leave-in conditioner, this has made probably one of the biggest changes to my hair. And I use a lot of this. Like, I use 2 huge dollops, one for each side of my hair. It almost creates sort of like a barrier on my hair, and I feel that it doesn't really get as much heat damage, and it definitely keeps my hair very smooth and silky so that it doesn't like get tangled or break as easily. So I really recommend this almost as like a barrier for protecting your hair. And afterwards, I've already talked about this Orotherapy Diamante Puro regenerating fluid with you guys in my last hair care routine video, and this is like probably my favorite hair oil to date. I really love it. Other than that, I wanted to mention this one, and this is the NutriCare Restructuring Fluid Crystals, and this is also another hair oil, and I wanted to recommend this one to you guys as an alternative for this one because this one is a little bit more affordable. Definitely the smell is a little bit different. This one has an almond scent, whereas this one smells more like watermelon maybe. So I don't love the smell of this as much, but I do think that these are interchangeable in terms of use. They're both like very hydrating, and they do keep my hair very silky smooth. And yes, I would definitely recommend this one too. So now that we're done with hair care, I just want to talk about the products I use when I'm styling, which is I think a segment that I've overlooked in the past because I didn't have that many products to share with you guys. But I think that using the proper styling products is also a really big part of hair care. Like, you don't want to be using like a bad hair dryer or a bad straightening iron. So I finally have some products that I really love that I can recommend to you guys. So first, for styling, I just want to give a shout out again to the wet brush. I have talked so much about this brush in the past, so I feel like I don't really need to tell you guys too much about this again, but basically it has insanely soft bristles that don't pull or tug or tangle or break your hair when you're brushing through it. So I really recommend it. It is a really affordable product compared to how much breakage it will save you. So definitely invest in one of these wet brushes, and that is like my #1 tip for styling: use a wet brush. Also, I wanted to talk about this dry shampoo. This is the very sensitive dry shampoo from Know Nothing, and I try to go in between washes as long as possible because it will strip out my hair color. So in between, I like to stay fresh with a dry shampoo, and I like this one from Know Nothing because it is very sensitive and it is fragrance free, which is my favorite thing about this product. I've developed a pretty bad allergy recently to fragrance, and it's not to every single fragranced product, it's just to some of them. So my dry shampoo in particular, I find that I can't really use that anymore because it is very irritating to me. So I do appreciate that this one is fragrance free. So let me talk about my new beloved hair dryer. This is the Turbo Max Ionic hair dryer from InStyler. So when you have chemically treated hair, you don't really want to leave it out to air dry because it can actually cause more damage to your hair because you're going to be moving around, you're going to be doing stuff. You don't want your hair to sort of get snagged or you know, whatever you're doing to cause breakage while your hair is drying for like 4 or 6 hours. So it's better for me to just have a very efficient hair dryer that dries it very quickly and efficiently with little to no heat. So that's why I really recommend the InStyler because it is so tiny and so lightweight but so powerful. It does cut down my drying time by like half compared to when I had my old hair dryer. And also, honestly speaking, I'm very weak, so I don't have like the arm strength to like hold my hair dryer. So I really appreciate that this one is really lightweight because it does make a difference. And lastly, I wanted to talk about my hair iron, and this one is from Chi, and this is a color exclusive to Ulta Beauty, and I already talked about this pretty in depth in one of my latest hair-based videos. I'm also going to link that up here for you guys. I was talking about this in my Daily Waves hair care routine, and this is such an amazing product. I waited so long to have it, and I finally took the plunge and I bought it, and I do find that this is probably a worthwhile purchase for someone who has bleached hair or processed hair and also likes to style their hair with heat. It does leave my hair looking so much silkier and softer after. And it also has like, you know, ions and ceramic plates, which are also working to make your hair softer and silkier. So yes, I do really like this iron as well. And I do think that it's probably an essential now in my hair care routines. And I also prep my hair before and after styling with some oils so that I can keep my hair frizz-free and also really sleek and shiny. So I wanted to mention that again as a step in my styling. So that's it for this video. I feel like it was pretty, you know, like get to the point because there was a lot of products that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Most of them were new, some of them I've already shared with you guys in the past, but nonetheless, this is my updated hair care routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys again next time.